Welcome to LOVCADD. Here is the easy to follow tutorial on 3D design and assembly of ball bearing using SolidWorks. In this tutorial I am going to start with the design of components, which are outer ring, inner ring, cage and the ball. Then the next part is assembly and the last part is motion study. Now I am starting from the outer ring. For this, go to front plane, sketch, select center line, create a horizontal center line which passes through origin, select center rectangle, create a rectangle, select smart dimension, assign the dimension as 31 mm. Next is 65 mm for this dimension. Is 53 mm. Now again select the center line. Make a vertical center line. Select center point arc. Create an arc over rectangle. From any arbitrary point, select smart dimension. The dimension is 8 mm and the radius is 12 mm. Now select trim entities. Go to add relation. Select these two lines. Make it equal. Now select fillet of radius 2.1 mm. Apply it at this two edge. Go to features, revolve boss, select this axis, OK. Now add appearance, go to appearance, metal, steel, apply it. Now save this part. Create a folder, save it as outer ring. Now our next part is inner ring. See the dimension and start from the front plane. Go to sketch, select center line, create a horizontal center line. Now select a center rectangle. Assign the dimension as 31 mm for this breadth. Again 37 mm height from center line. Now this is 25 mm of height from center line. Now again select center line and create a vertical center line over here. Check whether it is vertical or not. Select center point arc. Now we have to create center point arc on the top of this rectangle. This dimension is of 8 mm and radius is of 12 mm. Now select trim entities and trim this part. Okay. Press shift and select these two lines and make it equal. Now give a fillet of 2.1 mm at these two edges. Now go to features, revolve boss, select this axis. Okay. Now go to appearance, steel, and apply it. Okay. Now again save this part. Name it as inner ring. Now create a ball of diameter 24 mm. For this, select front plane, select line, create a line which passes through origin. Now convert this line to arc by just moving your mouse to line end. Okay, press shift, select the origin and the center line of this line, center point of this line. Make it coincide. Give the dimension 24 mm. Now go to features, revolve boss, select this line. Okay. Go to appearance, again select steel, and now apply it. Now save this ball, name it as ball. Now I'm going to create the last part of the ball bearing, that is cage. For this, go to front plane, sketch, select circle, create two concentric circles from origin, assign the dimension as 94 mm for the first circle, and this is of 86 mm diameter. Go to features, extrude boss, select mid plane and take any dimension more than 12 mm. I am going to take 16 mm. Okay. Now select this face, go to sketch, normal, select center line, create a vertical center line from origin, again select center line, select line and convert to arc and create half circle, assign the dimension as 12 mm. Now select circle again, create a circle, check for construction, go to smart dimension and give the diameter as 90 mm. Press shift, select this point and the circle, make it coincide, press OK. Go to features, revolve cut, okay. Now select fillet of radius 2.1 mm. Apply it to this edge. Now go to sew. Select on temporary axis. Select circular pattern. Select this feature and the fillet and select this axis. Make it 360 degree, 8 number of patterns. Okay. Now select cell. Select all the surface except the front one. Oh. Cancel. Give the dimension as 1.5 mm. Now see the shape of the cage. Now I'm going to make holes for rivet. Select the surface, sketch, normal. Select center line, create a vertical center line. Again select a center line. Make a center line up to this from origin. Select circle. Make circle. Give the dimension as 2 mm. Go to features. Oh, sorry. Give the dimension as 360 degree divided by 16 unit. That is 22.5 degrees. Now go to features, extrude cut, select through all. Okay. Now again go to circular pattern. Select this feature. Select this center line, axis, 8 number. Okay. Now hide the axis. Now give the appearance. Apply it. Now save this component as cage. Now let's start the assembly of ball bearing. For this, go to assembly, insert component, select these 4 components which we have created earlier. Arrange these components on screen. Go to mate. Select the outer surface and the inner surface of the rings. Go to advanced mate, select width. Select these 4 sides of both the rings. Click OK. Now to move the ball, add float. Go to mate. Expand this Select the front plane of the ball and the front plane of inner ring. Now again select the right plane of the ball and right plane of the inner ring. Okay. Now select the ball and this surface of the inner ring. Reverse the direction. Okay. Exit mate. Now I'm going to fix the outer ring. Now see the motion. Now go to circular pattern. View. Show the axis. Select the ball and this axis. Increase to 8 number of balls. Now again go to mate. Select the axis of the ring and the cage. Reverse the direction. Okay. Now again select the ball and this surface of the cage. Okay. Now the cage is made with the balls. Now we have to pattern the cage. For this, go to mirror component. Select this surface and select the whole body of the cage. Press next and OK. Now we have to add rivet. For this, go to design library, toolbox, DIN, pin, rivet and select 660 rivet. Place in hole. Increase the length to 6 unit. Okay. Close it. Now again go to circular component pattern. Select the rivet. Select the axis. Make it 8 numbers as we have 8 holes. Now hide the axis. So our ball bearing is ready now. Now for the motion, go to motion study. Select settings. Increase the frame rate to 60. OK. Select motor. Select the inner cage and change the direction as you wish to rotate this ring. Increase the RPM to 120. Click calculate. Press play. So this is how our ball bearing looks like. Hope you all will like and share this video. If you have any query, go ahead to comment section and also share and subscribe us for more such videos. Press bell icon to get updates. Thank you. This is Mrityunjay signing off.